We are live. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. So my voice is quite low because we're here inside the bus on the top decker bus. So I'll show you the view from my seat. So yeah. So guys, early this morning we went to the clinic farther from our place. So because we had a doctor's checkup, that's our regular yearly checkup. So we went there early this morning around 9 o'clock. So we left home around quarter to 8. The time now is 10 minutes past 1. So we went there and now we are on our way home. So we took 2 buses going home. So this is our second bus. So this is our last bus. So we can go home. So I'll show you again. Guys, this is my son Kirsten and this is me. So it's a lovely day today at this moment because it is sunny, but early this morning it was chilly and it's cloudy. So that's why I have this coat because I thought it will also rain, but now it's sunny here. Well, today is day 80 of the 90-day challenge, and we would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to all our followers who've been supporting us from the day one. We are really grateful for all your support and for all your seasoning and sharing. We don't know who are sharing our video, but we are grateful to you, whoever you are. So yeah, and hopefully you keep on watching us. Even though we are going to finish next week our 90-day challenge, and continue on sharing our video if you think that is usable or beneficial to you. So yeah, so I'll just show you again here. So yeah. So I always want to go by bus and go to the top because I want to see the view. But since there's plenty of people here, I wasn't able to go at the front because there's already people sitting in the front. So yeah, and how about you, Anna? Yeah, maybe you can tell Lisa grateful. You need to think again. Say something.
That I'm happy that people are watching.
Yes, tell them.
I'm grateful they're watching us through our journey.
Yes, we are grateful that you are watching us on our journey, and we're just also hoping that you are inspired and that you'll join us sooner, because the reason why we do this challenge is we want this We want to share this life-changing opportunity to everyone around the world. And today is the right time to take action and register your name and email address on our website, because we have a live webinar coming up Thursday, today, because we have this 2 times a week, Tuesday and Thursday. So check this out, and it might be the one you've been looking for, and I guarantee you this is a legitimate business. We pay taxes, and lots of people are already changing their lives, including ours. So think about it, and hopefully
take a step
a
for better future.
Mhm.
That's all we're saying.
Yes.
It's worth the risk.
Mhm. Yeah, so my website is on my bio, and
Mine is www.kirstenaploke.com.
yes, guys, it's 5 p.m. MST, 1 a.m. UK Ireland time. So you can Google your time zone. And thank you for all who are watching us right now. And for all those who are going to watch the replay, kindly comment below where you are watching from. And hope you are all having a lovely Thursday. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye.